Team, I want to try something different today. Oh, sorry. Hey there, Chef Eric Gephardt here. Hope you're doing well. Yeah. No, I really do hope you're doing well. But today I want to do a real-time recipe with you. So not all salads are created equally. This is a non-lettuce salad. I'm talking a Quarry Arctic salmon, cucumber, heirloom tomato, honey lime vinaigrette. It's a lot to say. It's easier to do. Let's get into the action. First things first, let's make a vinaigrette slash marinade. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with fresh lime juice. And this is gonna kind of have a Central American feel to it. We got big, bold lime flavors. We'll follow it up with some cilantro. We got a little garlic. Fresh lime juice sets anything off, whether it's drinks or food. It's just bright and it's like pow, right in the kisser, you know, and it just hits you in those taste buds and it wakes you up and it lets you know I'm serious about dinner tonight. Yeah? All right, now that we've got the lime juice, I'm gonna throw in some fresh chopped garlic, wake up a little bit. We're gonna go in with a little cumin. I love this seasoning. Cumin just is bright. It's almost got a citrus note, especially when it's toasted, okay? Now we're gonna go, I know we said we were gonna do honey, but I wanna switch it up a little bit on you, and I'm gonna go blue agave. It's slightly less floral. It still brings a little thickness to our sauce or vinaigrette here, and it's definitely gonna sweeten things up. Now a little apple cider vinegar. That brings some balance and some punch. Let's go ahead and put some cilantro in there, and that's gonna give it a little more body as well. Plus cilantro, again, just singing that Central American song that I love on this salad so much. Super fresh. Going in. Love that rough chop. And now all we have to do, whisk the ingredients together and slowly drizzle in your olive oil. Don't forget this recipe can be found down below if you're watching us on YouTube. That's the Camacho YouTube channel. And that is stunning. Now, something to mention with this beautiful lime cilantro agave vinaigrette that we just made, it's gonna be a vinaigrette and a marinade for our salmon. So let's go ahead and put half of this on our salmon and reserve the other half. All right, salmon. We've got a beautiful chunk here of Quarry Arctic salmon. This is a third-generation farm north of the Arctic Circle, doing it right. If you haven't heard of it, now you have Quarry Arctic salmon. Gorgeous, all right? I'm gonna cut kind of large chunks. This is gonna be a large, chunky salad. And what I'm doing here is, by cutting this, is making more surface area to sear and for flavor to adhere to in that vinaigrette. Let's put all these salmon cubes right in the bowl. Oh, you know what I forgot on our vinaigrette? Salt and pepper. I was just about to season the salmon and I was like, oh yeah, let's get a little salt and pepper, and that salt just activates things. The pepper brings just the slightest bit of heat. And now I'm gonna switch it on you. And we're gonna pour half of this vinaigrette right over top. Beautiful. Give it a toss. All right, let's let that marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. And while we're waiting on it to marinate, let's go ahead and finish the rest of the salad, which is the vegetable portion of the salad, okay? Quick trick with English style cucumbers, and I do love an English style cucumber. The skins are less bitter. You don't have to worry about the seeds. Watch this, when I cut it lengthwise, really nice seeds, very sweet. I'm gonna cut it one more time here and one more time here. So I've got great spears, and then I'll turn that sideways and kind of mimic the salmon chunks that we cut. Large pieces, but not too big to bite. And we're gonna put that in our little container right here. Not all salads have to have lettuce. There's no rule out there that says you got, think about chicken salad, no lettuce, right? Potato salad, no lettuce. This is one of those side dishes that could be poised as an entree. When we put it in there with the salmon and the tomatoes and the cucumbers and the avocados, this is full of nothing but rock stars. It's like an all-star salad. And look at these gorgeous tomatoes. You know, if it grows together, it goes together. So
that's a good one.
Yeah. If you got anything popping in your garden right now and you're watching this 3 years from now, whatever time of year it is, if it's growing together in your garden right now, it goes together. So I'll say it one more time. If it grows together, it goes together. All right? Tomatoes, cucumbers, brilliant. Chunky, chunky. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and hit our red onion. You might notice I choose red onion quite a bit. It's punchier than yellow or white onion, and I love the color. Our minds and our eyes always look for contrast. This is bright, this is bold, this is beautiful. Gonna break that up right on top of the rest of it. Don't worry, there's a lot more coming in to offset all that onion. And if you're not into onion, but you wanna put it in there for the color and just slightly bit of flavor, you can rinse those onion slices and put them in. Sometimes I do that on my ceviche. All right, avocado is next. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna pop that right in. I chose a semi-firm avocado because what you don't wanna do is find one that's too ripe, and as you gently toss this salad, everything's coated in this weird green goop that's gonna eventually oxidize and turn brown. So you wanna use a semi-firm but ripe avocado. All right, so our salmon has marinated now for, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes. Let's check our grill. I'm sitting at a temperature on our Kettle Joe today at just over 600 degrees. Because this is gonna be such a quick cook, I want a bold sear. I've banked all of my coals to one side to attain that 600 degrees, and I'm gonna sear right on that side. I'm gonna just take this with my hands. Notice you've got salt, you've got pepper, you've got garlic, you've got the cilantro, the agave, and we're just gonna kind of place these around the hot side of the grill. We're not looking for too much caramelization here. We just want to slightly cook these pieces. We're gonna pick up some of that natural lump charcoal flavor that makes this salad taste like it was kissed by the flame. That's what we're looking for. Let's take a look at our salmon and see if it's ready to rock. And that's just that little bit of grill mark there. That's all we're looking for. Remember, this is sushi grade salmon. So to grill it up to a medium rare is all we want to do. We don't want to destroy the nutritional content of this by overcooking it. Salmon's getting there. It's looking stunning. So let's go ahead and crumble in some queso fresco into this beautiful salad. And you want those larger chunks, just like everything else. Very good. Let's come on over to the grill, and we're going to gently place our salmon right on top of the rest of the ingredients. Oh, the aromas. There's enough omega-3 fatty acids in this one plate to fulfill your weekly needs, and that's fighting anxiety, depression, all that jazz. This is a powerhouse salad. Waking up my vinaigrette a little bit, re-emulsifying it. It's a temporary emulsion. We can talk about that later. And dressing the salad. Say it time and time again. Simple things done perfectly win every time. I'm gonna put my fingers down the sides and gently lift. And the aromas coming out of here as I'm tossing this salad are completely contradictory and yet balanced. I imagine we're gonna see the same thing in flavors when we taste it. Get your presentation plate. This is stunning, you know. I always say so much at the end of these things, but looking at the simplicity of this, looking at the flamed kiss flavor from the salmon, the freshness from everything, the vibrance of everything we put into the sauce, I can't think of a better summertime meal. You know I'm getting some of that salmon. Oh, it's a huge one. Avocado, I see you. I see you. Boom. Look at that bite. Yes, sir. This is a fantastic salad. The agave and the sweetness of the vinaigrette on that salmon where it caramelizes is just nectar. I mean, that is gorgeous stuff.